Mathematical problem of standard 4. 1 by 4 kilogram is dash gram. 1 by 4 into 1000 gram is 250 gram. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 is numerator 2 plus 3, denominator 5 is equal to 5 by 5 is 1. 4500 meter, calculate in kilometer and meter. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. 4500 divided by 1000, 4 kilometer 500 meter. Fill in the blank. 5 by 8 plus dash by 8 is equal to 7 by 8. 5 by 8 plus 2 by 8 is equal to 7 by 8. 695 millimeter is blank into 10 millimeter plus blank millimeter is equal to blank centimeter blank millimeter. 695 millimeter is equal to 69 into 10 millimeter plus 5 millimeter is equal to 69 centimeter plus 5 millimeter. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. Subtract kilogram gram 28 356 minus 12 365 plus 1000 gram. 28 minus 1 27 kilogram. 1000 plus 356 1356 minus 365 991 gram. 27 minus 12 15 kilogram. There are 8 plums on a plate. 1 by 4 part of the plums are worm eaten. How many plums are bad and how many plums are eatable? 8 into 1 by 4. 2 plums are bad. 8 minus 2, 6 plums are eatable. If the numerator of a fraction is increased while keeping the denominator the same, the value of the fraction increases. Thanks.